Toast, Mr. James Woodman. Come on up here, James. Now, am I wrong? Look around. Is that not Mike Singletary? Anybody? Send some autographs to him. All right, James, are we doing this together? All right, you got yours is better. Everybody participates. In about 20 years of doing this, we've never done it properly the first time. I guess that's part of the drill, right? You do it better the second time. We're going to probably do it twice. Let's try to get it out of the park first one. You ready? I want you to be loud and proud. Ready?
Let me win. But if I can't win, let me be brave if you can.
Alright, that's a good warm-up. That was a really decent warm-up. But I know, James, I watched you in that middle and play for the Bears. Alright, he's instructing all the St. Mary's folks to stand up. Mr. Singletary has told you to stand up or he's going to drill you. Here's Russell Goosey. Hello, Russell. Alright, one more time. Let's go with a little bit more spirit. Ready? We're starting from left. Ready? Go.
Let me win. But I can't win. Let me be brave if you can.
Perfect, ladies and gentlemen. Nice job. Awesome.